Steve Jobs had a peculiar obsession. He didn't just want a computer. He wanted people to want to lick it. 1998. The world's desks were trapped in a beige, plastic prison. Offices, schools. Everything was dull and gray. It was as if the ghost of Henry Ford was still ruling the world. You know his famous rule: any color, so long as it is black. Well, in the 90s, the rule was any color, so long as it is beige. Jobs decided to break the shackles. Floppy disks, legacy ports. He cut them all out. People called it madness, but it was art, just like Picasso's. Bull. Jobs stripped away the fat to leave only the essence. But bare bones can be cold. So, they didn't go to a chip factory. They went to a confectionery factory. They realized something simple. Technology is cold, but candy? Candy is sweet. And then they changed the line. As the architect Antoni Gaudí once said, "The straight line belongs to men, the curved one to God." Jobs stole that divine line and grafted it onto a machine. Translucent, Bondi Blue. It wasn't just a computer anymore. It was a beautiful bomb thrown into a gray world. And thanks to that peculiar obsession, the drab city turned to color, and Apple, rising from the ashes, was magnificently resurrected.